Nakajia lang ka blakot panlong daw Deputy Commissioner ka East Jaiñtia Hills District, Ushivanch Awasti IAS, yakinoy alam ka Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA, but kitry but kinong mi kamat ng Cement Company. Hakalay po itarik urisaw araja arpusan kalakot da kajingbomla Cement Company, ban Siew baiket yaki Trok Katkum kador Sorkar. Kumban syukurau bagakenhon kitray padnongnya Trok hapo kalama Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA naduka arpo nyo tarik risa arajar pusan kilapen long ka jengki ka baklambo por dak bapakhang yaki Trok kit simen bat klinka hasumer mi mentru bypass. Kajiyaki ka association ka long bagi company pen mi daw bilat ki day ban Siew baiket yaki Trok hakador banya imlang Katkum kador Sorkar. Deputy Commissioner ulit ho balakot ka jingalang yaka association hakalay po tarik risaw araja arpusan lem yaki waypat ki association jong ginong nya Trok pat ki try Trok na rirom Jaiñtia lem bat ki Cement Company henry ka association kamsyam na tre ban kwa ban yakran la ka jong kumulong manta kinong ilam ka association kindang yasong jingalang ban merging mod halor ki jingakran ki blam mi na jingakando but Deputy Commissioner bat ki Cement Company.
So, with respect to this ongoing strike of Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association against the cement factories, meeting was called yesterday with the Cement Factory Association, the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Drivers and Owner Association, and two other transport associations that are already working with the cement factory, the East Jaiñtia Hills Transport Association and the Jaiñtia Hills Transport Association. But yesterday, the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association declined to come for the meeting, saying that they want to have a meeting separately with the cement factories, not in the presence of other two associations that are already working with the cement factory. So we have called this meeting today again only with the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association and cement factories to mediate between them. And during the meeting they have expressed whatever are the issues that they are facing currently with respect to the transportation as far as it is concerned with the cement factories. So they have requested the preference to be given to the vehicles of the association with respect to any transportation in the cement factories, and they have asked for rates. Certain rates which are not acceptable, which were not acceptable to the cement factories. They have expressed their inability to accept demands with respect to rates, although they have expressed their willingness to work with the Meghalaya Commercial Transport Truck Drivers and Owners Association, provided they are also willing to work with them at the applicable market rates that they are offering to other associations. And the other two associations also have met me yesterday, and they have also requested that since they are also working since long time with the cement factory associations, and they are also stakeholders as far as transportation is concerned, no further decision with respect to any transportation should be taken without involving them as well. So that is what we also appeal to them, that in future for any consultation in this regard, kindly attend the meeting with the other two associations, so that all stakeholders and all the associations that are dealing with the transportation in the state can be involved to come to the common conclusion. So with respect to the meeting today, unfortunately no final conclusion could come out in the meeting, and they have the Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association has informed us that they will continue with the strike. So in conclusion, we also appeal to them to that they can continue, but maintain peace in the area, and whatever as per law and order should be maintained, and legally whatever they can do within the ambit of law, they can go ahead with the strike and their demands. No, so the government has fixed those rates within the state of Meghalaya. So Cement Factory Association, whatever vehicle that they are transporting within the state of Meghalaya, they said that they are already working with the two associations and they don't have any further vehicles which can be allotted. Only if the share of rest of two associations is reduced, then they can allot them at the government rates. But with respect to vehicles that are going outside the state, there are no such rates that are notified, and they are working with the transporters depending on the seasonal fluctuations in the market rates. But they have requested that for those locations also the government rate may be followed, which the cement factories express their inability to accept. No, each factory number of trucks, that detail though we don't have, but we can ask them and provide it to you later.
Habatin, page bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.